This is a really easy smoked foods dinner idea. It's smoked New York strip steak, and today I'm going to take you start to finish and show you how to make this in the Traeger pellet grills or whatever you're using. So first you just want to pat it dry with paper towel and sprinkle all over with the seasoning, any sort of barbecue rub or steak rub that you'd like, and give it a nice little massage like it's had a long week at work, and then poke in a little temperature thing if you have it, a thermometer, so you know the temperature while it's cooking. So you want to smoke the New York strip steak at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's going to go on until it reaches 120 degrees internally. Now that is super rare, so what happens is you continue cooking New York strip steak inside in a cast iron skillet, or you can or you can finish it by grilling it, which is basically called the reverse sear method. So basically you're smoking New York strip, then searing it in a cast iron skillet. In this recipe, you'll see the outside was just kind of browned with some of the olive oil. And then after that, we added in some garlic that was smashed and butter and just basted that on the smoked New York strip steak to finish it with a nice crust on the outside. The cast iron skillet was on medium high, and you can get all of these recipe steps. You can print them out at Sip Bite Go. This is definitely a very easy way to smoke steak in the Traeger. You can basically finish them all in the cast iron skillet to whatever done temperature you desire. Medium or medium rare is always my favorite. And there are so many other tasty sides you could serve with this steak. You could try smoked mac and cheese or smoked mashed potatoes. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!